Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying it. And now I am going to start the teaching of second semester examination. So here first chapter I will like to explain percentage. And I hope you listen the word percentage. Percentage means out of 100. Sometimes you listen at home or in market of different shop. They are discussing about percentage are written. Sometimes at shop I will give discount 10%, 30% and so on. Suppose some people is saying you are going to purchase something and saying your discount is going on 10%. It means he will leave 10 rupees for each 100 rupees. Suppose the cost of any item is given 100 rupees and he is saying I will give 10% discount. It means he will leave 10 rupees. That is, you will pay him 90 rupees. So, percentage, simply understand, percentage means out of 100. And you are familiar with fraction. So, a percentage is a fraction, 4 denominator will be 100. So, now come on here, chapter 10. Chapter 10, percentage. Percentage. Here, the word cent means 100. Percent means out of 100, and the word percent means out of 100. Per means each, per each 100. And if you will book a percentage, the percentage is a fraction, whose denominator, is 100. Here some exercises are given. You can do it. Here each big square are divided into 100 small squares. I think what percentage of these squares are shaded. So first to count how many small squares are shaded. In first one I counted. Here 39 small squares are shaded. 39 small squares are shaded out of 100 small squares. It means 39% of this figure is shaded. So first question answer should be 39 by 100. We are not asking fraction form, but I am written here 39%. Similarly, you can complete second one 48% and third one 33% and so on. And second, here each plane has 100 parts. Set the percentage given beside each diagram. In first diagram, we are given 16% shade. So 16% means any 16 small squares should be shaded out of 100 small squares. So any 16 small squares should be shaded. Similarly, second one 56. And third one 72 and fourth one 40. And now come on the next page. Very simple questions are given here. Write these as a percent. Here first one 11 out of 100 means 11 by 100 means 11%. So now come on. On page 138, we are asking write these as a percent. So you can write directly by definition 11 out of 100 out of 100 means 11%. Second, 98 out of 100. You can write like this. One more step. I can write directly, no problem, directly 8%. This also you can write 11 by 100. Or directly you can write percentage by definitions. And second one, here asking you write these fraction. Write these fraction as a percent. This is the symbol of percent. Percentage symbol you know. Percentage. This is denoted as symbol of percentage. Here write these fraction as a percent. Fraction are given. First one 25 by 100. You can write directly 25%. I explained in beginning by definitions. Or another way, you can write directly 25%. Or any fraction can be converted into percentage by multiplying 100. 100 will be cancelled and this can be at 25%. So you can do like this or this. And the remaining questions should complete yourself. All are same time. And the next exercise, how fractions can be converted into percentage. So any fraction can be converted into percentage by using two methods. Any one method out of these two methods. First, you can write an equivalent fraction of the given fraction whose denominator will be 100, and after that you can write directly percentage. Another way, you can multiply a fraction with 100 and you have to write in percentage. You know how a whole number can be multiplied by a fraction? So any one method. And the page number 139, on the page number 139 here asking represent the following fraction as percentage. Here three columns are given. In first column fractions are given and second column asking write the equivalent fraction whose denominator should be 100 and then convert into percentage. So now come on here on page number 39, page 139. Represent here asking represent the following fractions as percent. Here given questions are given fraction form Here also you can write equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Fraction with denominator and this column are given. You have to write that in percentage with this symbol. In first question, first we are given 2 by 5. So you know how to write equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 denominator should be 100. We have to multiply by 20. You don't know which number should be multiplied than 100, so we will divide by 5. And yes, we will divide by 5, we will get 20. So this becomes 40 by 100. So you know this is 40%. I can multiply this number by 100, it will become 40%. And the second, 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 should be multiplied by 10. That is 70 by 100. This becomes 70%. And this, all the questions are same time you can do by yourself. Here 11th one. Here this is different. 45 by 60. See children, this is not the lowest term. 45 by 60. This fraction not lowest term. First number to lowest term 430 by 15. So 15 3 are 15 4 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 multiply by 25 to multiple of 4 will be 100. So 75 by 100, this means 75%. I hope all of you understand, and if you have any doubt, any problem, then you can ask without any hesitation. I will meet you the next video. And how was the video? Please